today's video, you're about to learn how to use say and tell in English. Today's video, let us talk about say versus tell. What's the difference? Say and tell may have a lot in common, but their personalities have very different. Although the verb tell and say share some meaning, they are used in different ways. Right, so the main meaning of say here is to use your voice to express something in words. While the main meaning of tell is to say or write something to someone. Generally speaking, you can use say and tell as follows. You say something, but you tell someone something. Now move on, let us take a look at the following example. Say something versus tell someone something. She said he was her best friend. He said that he couldn't do his assignment by himself. She told me he was her best friend. He told them the truth, but they didn't believe him. As you noticed from the example, when you use say, you say something directly to someone, while when you use tell, you ask someone or you tell someone to tell them something. Say is usually used without an indirect object. In case we want to add an indirect object after say, we introduce it with do. Tell is used with an indirect object. Example, tell me something. Tell John something. I hope that these lessons help you understand the difference between say and tell and how to use them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.